Hello, everyone, and welcome to Counseling 150 Hybrid Class 16 Weeks. My name is Patricia Garcia, and I am excited that you have registered to take this course. We will begin on August 19th. Your first online assignment is going to be Tuesday, the 20th, and basically it's an online discussion, and it's a short question, and it's designed to begin to get to know each other and begin to form that community of learners that is so important for online or hybrid courses. We will meet for our first mandatory meeting on Tuesday, August 20th, and you will receive details about where to meet. And after that, we'll be meeting once a month throughout the semester. Most of your assignments are going to be done online and submitted online. I strongly suggest you to familiarize yourself with online Canvas tools. And if you have any questions, I'm here to assist you. I hope that what you learn in this course will help you succeed here at College of the Kenyans and in your future academic and personal goals.